Hi everyone, here we've got LG Velvet, and let me show you how to set the camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and as you can see now, your device is taking photos right away after touching the shutter button. If you want to set the camera timer, simply click the icon which should be in the right upper corner, and here we've got 3 options to choose from. We can choose either 3, 5 or 10 seconds. Let me pick for example 10 seconds. Let's click on the shutter button, and as you can see, from now on your device will counting down from 10, and after that it will take a photo. Let's check another option. Let's click on this timer icon again, and let's choose for example 3 seconds. And as you can see, this is the same situation, but now it is counting down from 3. To turn it off, simply click on this icon here. Let's check. Yes, and it got back to its previous state. So that's all. This is how you set the camera timer in your LG Velvet. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.